Hello, I want to do some oil change to this old Ford few 1600. So let's start it and warm it up before we do something. Let's take it inside the workshop. There's the plug and there's the oil filter. Jag vet inte. Now if I just would unscrew the filter right away here, it would be a huge oil mess here under. So I will just punch a hole here and let it drain for a minute. And then air hole. So a little bit information about this tractor. It is a 81 year model and 3.3 liter diesel engine. And yeah, what else can I say? 61 horsepower and pretty good hydraulics. So we are using this force crane usually on this tractor because it's so small and handy. And there we have the hydraulic valves and yeah, it is a small but handy tractor to have. So let's unscrew the filter. That's what I mean with the oily mess on the motor. And just clean this right here. And some brake cleaner. New filter right here. power line. And let's put the oil plug back. Going to put this 15V40 engine oil. And now, while I'm waiting for the oil to settle down, let's check the air filter. Hmm. Do not clean. No. Let's check the oil stick. A little bit overfilled, but that's what I want because a little oil goes to the filter. Yes. Guys, I did open up the gearbox level plug. You see it right there. And it's nothing there, so I need to fill a little bit gearbox oil. 80V19. No, 80V 80W 80W 80W90 oil. And there's the plug, but it's so full of shit, so I need to clean that before I open it. Yes, it did. Okay, Gear Basic 8V90. Do we see something here? Not yet. Now I have it. Finally done. Let's take it outside. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.